This is a demonstration of the installation in the Lincoln Navigator.
Okay, we're going to take our plastic tool here and we're going to put it and unclip it where the tabs are, which once we get it out, we can show exactly where those are. Sometimes you got to work it a little bit to do it. Okay, and here's where your tabs are. Here, here in the front, and here in the back. So that would be here, here, and here, which is where you're going to try and pry. If you pry here in the middle, and your tabs are there, it's just going to bow up and possibly break it. And of course, you want to use something plastic or whatever else you think you might want to pry with that's not going to scratch this surface. Okay, now we're going to be careful and pry from the back. You got to be very careful. This is not the strongest material, and as you can see, you've got tabs that you're prying up and then pulling back. So you wouldn't want to pry upwards at this point. So you want to work from the back and then pull it back out.
Next, we're going to remove 2 screws under the bezel, located here.
And that come out real easy by pulling at the bottom first and then slowly working our way up to release all the tabs. And one of these here to protect this pan. Kind of lay it out of the way.
Expose the connectors on the rear side.
And we're going to plug our harness in. Take the plugs that we removed.
Just a simple T-harness, and the connectors are unique sizes and keyed, so you can't get them in the wrong place.